Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an amazing product that's going to revolutionize your juicing experience, the cold press juicer. This incredible machine is designed to make juicing easy, efficient, and fun. So, let's dive in and explore its features and benefits. As you can see, this juicer has a unique design with a 5.4-inch extra-large feed chute that allows you to add whole fruits and vegetables directly into the machine. No more chopping or prepping required. This feature saves you time and increases juice efficiency, making it perfect for busy people like you and me. The cold press juicer uses a slow cold press technology that rotates at 50 RPM. This slow speed reduces clogging and produces less sediment, which means you get a smoother, more natural-tasting juice with less pulp. This technology also locks in freshness and nutrition, maintaining the natural state of the juice. The food-grade spiral auger is designed to extract every drop of deep nutrition from fruits and vegetables, reducing clogging and providing you with health and vitality. And the best part? This juicer has a high juice yield of 99%, resulting in less pulp and a smooth taste. One of the things I love about this juicer is how easy it is to assemble and disassemble. It has a simple one-piece design with only 3 components, which means you can assemble it in just 5 seconds. And when it comes to cleaning, you can simply press a button to remove the body of the juicer and quickly remove stains. And finally, the cold press juicer comes with an automatic safety sensor that stops the machine when you open the lid of the feed chute. This ensures safety for children and the elderly, giving you peace of mind while juicing. That's it for today's review of the cold press juicer. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient juicer that's easy to use and clean, this is definitely the one to consider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and health tips.